everyone, I'm Omar Al-Bahman. I'm going to talk about the water pollution caused by sulfur dioxide. So first, I'm going to talk. Water pollution is when the water is contaminated and it became really dirty and it's not usable like what it's used for anymore. And it can't be like usual again, but yeah, you can do that, but it took a lot of money and time. And sulfur dioxide is the combination of sulfurs and oxygen through the relationship in compounds, in chemical compounds. You can see that later. And so sulfur dioxide makes sulfur trioxide, which creates sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid makes acid rains, and that acid rain will pollute the water. That happens quite a few years ago in Germany and Europe. There was quite an acid rain that was resulted to many water pollution in many rivers that was created because of sulfur dioxide. And sulfur dioxide is usually created from the trashes and all the kinds of gases that you threw out through your daily life, like CFCs. But then, to clean the water pollution because of sulfur dioxide is different than cleaning the water because of trashes. Cleaning the water because of trashes is easier, but with sulfur dioxide it's harder because it's not really contaminating the water, but it's contaminating the H2O itself. We have H2SO4. Sulfuric acid is what I say. And it costs a lot of money, so many governments really don't do that. But in Europe, the countries that get acid rain is contributed from money by the Eurasian government, and so they can take the sulfuric acid and wash the water itself again by heating it up and cleaning all the bacteria from many rivers from Germany, England, UK, and all that. So basically, that's all about the water pollution and SO2s. Yeah, sulfur dioxide.